Dragon Boat is originally was a traditional festival games in China. Now become really common competition all year round around the world. So everybody seems really enjoy it.
In our competitions, we have two divisions. One is the Premier Division, where you have Dragon Boat clubs that practice regularly. And the second division is the Recreational Division.
It's been amazing. We have 31 heats with over 750 people joining. We have nice, beautiful weather. Just have fun, do your best. You know, the outcome will come after.
Qatar Living, we are awesome!
So I was looking for adventures and outdoor activities, and I just found out there is a Dragon's Boat here in Doha, and I joined the team, and now we are friends and family.
Any advice for first-time dragon boaters?
Synchronization, it's all about synchronization. That's what I've learned, that's what we've all learned, I think, yeah.
How has the event been for you today?
It has been fantastic. It's my first year here. It's the second time the Doha College have competed, and we're all loving it, and it's a lot of fun, a lot of team building.
What is your advice to people who want to try this sport?
Okay, if you want to try the sports, just visit us during weekends, especially Fridays and Saturdays, between 4:30 in the morning up until 8:30 in the morning. You can see us in Qatar in the Dragon Boat areas.
Perfect.